Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Central Oregon Shenanigans. Tonight, we're going to be tearing down just a little bit of this 460. Mostly, we're going to be taking... I've taken the distributor out. I've taken... The valve covers were just lightly set on the engine. I really want to know what's going on with this engine prior to making a spot for it over in the corner there and keeping it. If it's not keepable, if it's not rebuildable, then we need to send it to the scrap yard or whatever, but keep the parts off of it that we're going to use. So I need to know before we do any extravagant remodeling in the shop to get it a spot. Even though we get into this, say we get into this and this engine is this engine is foobarred and not rebuildable, we are still doing a 460, and at least at this point we have some parts. We're gonna have all the bracketry. We got a good, looks like a power steering pump, an alternator, a really nice fan that's in good shape. We won't reuse the water pump, but there's good 460 bones here, spare parts that we can use. So with that being said, guys, let's unbolt this intake manifold and get it off. Right off the bat, I noticed that all the rocker arms and push rods are on this side, but we're missing all on this side, and it's missing intake manifold bolts. This is going to be interesting to see. I got the distributor out. It was a bear off camera. I was just trying to get the distributor off so it was out of our way. Other than that, I have not opened this thing up. So let's go ahead and take a look, guys. I'm curious to see. Drop it in the comments right now. Drop it in the comments down below. What do you think caused this engine to seize up and not turn? Lack of oil? Did it sit around and get water in it? Drop it down below. And let me know what you guys think it is prior to getting any further into this video. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go grab some tools and I'll catch you in a second. Alrighty. I'll lift this from the back. There we go. Somebody's definitely broke this loose prior to us getting this engine. This was just laying on here. I didn't unloosen any of this either. God, these are heavy. Atrocious. Ugh. Well, I bet you guys want to see take a look. I don't see any rust. Lifters are really... I don't think it was oil starvation, but I could be wrong. This is my first 460. Oh. I think I found our culprit, guys. What makes that? Water. Water makes that. Somebody let water get down in here. Fudge, fudge, fudge. Oh man. That cylinder. Let me get my flashlight out. This did not. Oh yeah. That head's toast. I don't know. I don't think you can Well, let's harvest the rest of these parts off here. I was hoping that that wasn't the case, but that's water. That's definitely a water sign. Alrighty, now that I got those guys out of the way, let's get this thing opened up, shall we? There we go. That is very sad and unfortunate. We found this probably was a running 460 when they pulled it out. But guys, you can't do this to your motors. You cannot let water get in them. I don't know, guys. This motor's already been bored 20 over. If you guys are ever tearing into an engine, and you guys have any, questions on, let me find something. Oh, can of starting fluid. I don't know if you guys can see this on camera, but you get in here, normally when you've got like a rebuild on something, get a towel. See that? The 2-0 reading upside down? That's 20 thousandths. That's what I was told by my shop teacher back in the day when I was... Yeah, so this has already been bored out. This was rebuilt, so this is really unfortunate. Fudge. You can still see the... You can still see the cross hatches. There's barely any lip right there at the top. This is very unfortunate. I'm gonna stop this tear down right here, guys. I've never dealt with this situation before. I'm gonna do some research on it and we'll come back in another video. All my master mechanic building garage buddies out there watching this video, my loyal and trusty tubers you are, let me know if you guys ever have rebuilt a block with this much rust in a cylinder. It's bad, guys. Oh yeah, it is really bad. I don't know. That's bad. That's why she seized. Unfortunately, it was a free engine block, but the next question is, what's the head look like? Yeah, these heads, pretty good. Just a little surface rust. That was the cylinder that had the water in it. Let me know, guys. I need your guys' opinion. I've never dealt with this before. This is a new cookie for me, so I'm gonna be watching out for you guys' comments this week. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. I see us robbing all the good bracketry off of this motor. Keeping all this bracketry, that nice fan, and I'll save the heads. But as far as that goes right there, that's atrocious. That's really atrocious. And there's in this cylinder. I don't know, guys. I'm going to leave it on the engine stand this week. Read your guys' comments. Thanks for tuning in. See you here on Central Oregon Shenanigans. Bye, guys.